Welcome to MyPath, the online self-paced training offered by Dayforce. MyPath quickly teaches you how to use Dayforce HCM through bite-sized lessons that are guaranteed to help you and your organization learn the application in time for rollout and beyond. So what is MyPath? MyPath is a comprehensive training solution that increases user adoption and productivity. It offers your organization a full training course that your employees take from start to finish to fully immerse themselves in Dayforce and learn the software. Let's take a look at what MyPath has to offer. MyPath is accessed from the Help button located at the top right of the application. Once launched, find your role in the table of contents to explore the offerings available. Everyone should start with the employee course regardless of your role, and it is recommended that administrators also take the manager course as a prerequisite. Let's explore the employee course a bit more. For each lesson, MyPath provides 5 modes. The See It, Try It and Know It modes are for learning and training, while the Do It and Print It modes are for on-the-job support. The lessons start simple, showing you how to log into Dayforce, and progressing to learning how you can actually use Dayforce, with lessons such as how to request vacation and viewing your timesheet. Let's take a look at each mode in a bit more detail. See It mode teaches you the lesson step by step. The cursor will move on its own, so you can sit back, watch and learn. In Try It mode, you'll take a more active role and will be given the same instructions as in See It mode, but this time you'll actually have to click through the application yourself. In Know It mode, the lesson becomes a little more challenging. Right away, you'll be able to start clicking through Dayforce with less direction than before. If you get lost or click the wrong button, MyPath will gradually guide you back in the right direction, and will eventually show you what the next step is. Your knowledge of how to complete the task will be tested, and a score of at least 80% is needed to pass. You can continue reviewing each lesson in the course by learning the content in the See It or Try It mode, and then testing yourself in the Know It mode. Once you've completed the course and start using Dayforce, you can come back to MyPath at any time. Use the learning modes to retake a lesson, or use the on-the-job support modes. Let's say I've taken training and 2 months later I need to book some vacation days, but I need a refresher on how to do it, so I'm going to launch MyPath. Using the search bar, I'm going to look up vacation. Alternatively, I can search for my topic by expanding the list here. There are 2 on-the-job support options. Let's look at the Print It mode first. Print It mode is great for a quick step-by-step look at how to request vacation. All the steps that we saw in the other modes are laid out in accessible text in an easy-to-read format. In Do It mode, I'm getting on-the-job assistance right inside the application. MyPath will actually sit on top of my browser, providing step-by-step instructions. I can read the steps in the bottom right corner and perform them live in the application to complete a task at my own pace. As you can see, I'm now fully immersed in Dayforce, yet I'm able to receive the level of support and guidance I need to be successful. So why does MyPath work? MyPath works because it immerses you in the Dayforce software, while also providing step-by-step guidance along the way. As you move through the different modes, your ability to use Dayforce is refined through repetition and support, building up your confidence and your ability. Remember, the best training starts simply and builds systematically to the more complex, giving you tips and learning strategies along the way. With MyPath, you're immediately immersed, and as you move through the modes at your own pace, you'll see yourself not just learning, but retaining what you've learned, making you a Dayforce master. And as your confidence grows, so will your success.